Hey guys, good morning from Shanghai. This is Holden. Right now I'm working in the Bund. This place is the iconic landscape of Shanghai city. Check those views. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, but there are still some tourists in this place. Right now I'm heading to the apartment. It's about 1 kilometer from this place, so I will take a walk. Okay, right now we arrived at the bridge. This bridge is called the Waibaidu Bridge, also called the Garden Bridge. This bridge is the earliest iron bridge in Shanghai. By the way, this river is called the Suzhou Creek. We will cross this bridge and go to the property we will visit today. Yeah, there is a name. The Chinese name is Waibaidu Qiao. Qiao means bridge. Let's go. Also, some people take a photo from this bridge. Yeah, you could also see the iconic landscape of Shanghai city. We will go to that side. That is the Suzhou River bank. I really love that place. Personally, I think this riverbank is the most beautiful riverbank in Shanghai. Yeah, we need to see this Waibaidu Bridge. It's also called the Garden Bridge, and it was completed like more than 100 years. We are now at the Suzhou River bank. The apartment we are going to visit today is called the Bund 99. Let's find this place.你去上面看一套房子。好，谢谢啊。Let's go. Okay, now we arrived at the apartment. Let's open the door. Okay. Here is the entrance. There is a place for shoes. And right ahead us is the bathroom. Yep. By the way, that is a one-bedroom apartment. So this place is only for one person or two person. This bathroom has a shower and a toilet, but no bath tube. The storage for the bathroom is quite a lot. And the mirror, yeah, there are lots of mirror. Okay, let's keep moving. By the way, I haven't turned the light up, so they are all natural light. Okay. Wow, I really love this place. Okay, the living room is connected with the kitchen. Let's see the kitchen first. Yeah, it's a big kitchen in Shanghai. Two oven? No. This is the oven. And this is the dishwasher. Yeah. gas stove. Wow. The storage for the kitchen is quite a lot. Oh, the fridge. The furniture is always contained in the rent when you rent in China. Okay, now the living room. Let's see the balcony. Whoa. That is really high. Yeah, you could sit here and enjoy the city view. And the washing machine here. The view is really good. Okay. Now let's see the sofa and the TV and the carpet. Oh, that's good. Now, let's take a look for the bedroom. Oh, what is this? Ah, it's like a dressing room. We could work in. Yeah. And the bedroom, well, also had a good view, but this is not a floor-to-ceiling window. Yeah. The bed. Even though it's a one-bedroom apartment, but this bed is a king-size bed. Yeah. And the wardrobe and air condition. Now let's talk about the price. The price for this apartment is about 17,000 RMB per month. And that is about $2,400 per month. So for one person or two person, I have to say this price is quite expensive. But look at this view. If you enjoy the view, I think the price is quite reasonable. Okay, that is the end for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to tell me on the comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.